Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a sauna blanket set, so I'm gonna figure out how this thing all works here. So here's some instructions for it. This looks like a bunch of little plastic covers probably for it. We have a power cord, a carrying bag for it. That's nice. So I don't think we're getting it back in the box after we're done. Here is the control unit. I'm going to assume just 2 parts bar. Infrared sauna blanket instrument, okay. Oh, and then there's a remote control in here as well. Let me see. And then, here is the blanket. So let's see how this thing is gonna work. It's down here. So we have our whole setup here. And this is gonna be the plug unit here. So we're gonna figure this all out. Give this a shot. I don't know if it controls 2 of them or if it's just, oh, here's the other plug here. Okay, got 2 wires, 1 for each side. It's gonna be a whole sauna going on over here. Put this one in here. Okay, need the power cord over here. Okay, I'll plug this in. So here we go. So there it's turning on. And we have, I don't know if you can see the little lights on here, but it says time 30 minutes. Right now it says temperature 60-60. And, oh, here we can set our temperature, so we can set it to whatever we want it to be, 70. So it turns to 80, it looks like 80 is the max on there. Okay, so we've set that. Now let's read some of these instructions and see what we're supposed to do. It says roll out the blanket and connect the wires. Lie on the blanket and then start the operation. Put through the electrical source and open the switch. Push 7, 8. Push the buttons, I guess these buttons here to set the times. And set up when it's going. So I think I've got to kind of lay this down and then we'll give this a try here. I'll be right back when we get it all opened up and figured out. Okay, so I've kind of got it laid out here on the couch and took out some of the pillows and everything like that, but the way it'll work, and I think that's what some of these plastics are for, so you can kind of line it up in here. I've got my dog running around, but you get the idea. You'll go in here, zip this puppy up, like so, and it gives you, I'm not down in it enough, but it gives you even little areas so you can put your arms through it. So if you wanted to sit here and play on your phone or whatever, you could be doing that while you're in here. I don't know why my dog is doing this, but you get the idea. So you can have reach through if you need to while you're getting your infrared sauna, you know, whatever from this. So it's pretty cool. So it's a nice little thing. It's nice and long, so it's good. A nice little sauna suit. Very cool. I'm not all the way in it, but my dog's driving me crazy. But you get the idea. Very cool. And then you get to zip it up and out, and super, super neat. So that is your infrared sauna blanket. So super cool. Very nice. Thumbs up for sure.